Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate encryption using React Native Simple Crypto. To activate encryption using React Native Simple Crypto, begin by installing the library in your React Native project. Run the command npm install React Native Simple Crypto in your project directory. Once the installation is complete, import the library in your JavaScript file. Use the statement import rn encryptor from React Native Simple Crypto to import the necessary functions. Next, determine the type of encryption you want to implement. For example, if you choose AES encryption, you will need to set up a secret key. Generate a secure random key for your encryption process. You can use rnencryptor.randombytes32 to create a 32-byte key. Now, define the data you wish to encrypt. This could be a simple string, such as a password or any sensitive information. Use the rnencryptor.encrypt method to handle the actual encryption process. Pass your data and the key as arguments to this method. Make sure to catch any potential errors during the encryption process. You can do this by wrapping your encrypt method in a try-catch block. Once encrypted, store the resulting ciphertext securely. You may want to store it in async storage or a secure storage solution. To decrypt the data later, use the rnencryptor.decrypt method. Provide the encrypted data and the same key you used for encryption. Again, implement error handling to manage potential issues during decryption. After decryption, you should receive the original data back. Be cautious with how you handle and store encryption keys. Always prioritize security in how you manage sensitive information in your applications. With these steps, you can successfully implement encryption in your React Native project using React Native Simple Crypto. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.